got power over the sea. So you've got a power over me. Come on now, don't you wanna know that you're a refuge, somewhere I can go, and you're air that I can breathe. You're my golden opportunity. Come on now, don't you wanna see just what a difference you made to me? And I'll be waiting, no matter what you say.